Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to add borders in Excel. Adding borders in Microsoft Excel enhances the readability and organization of your data, making your spreadsheets look more professional and easier to understand. So let's start the video. First, let's open up an Excel workbook. Start by selecting the cells to which you want to add borders. Once you have selected your cells, click on the Home tab in the Excel ribbon. In the font group, you will see Borders button, a little square icon with 4 smaller squares inside it. Click on the drop-down arrow next to it. Here you will find a variety of border options. For this tutorial, we will select the All Borders option. So click on All Borders. As you can see, borders have been added to all the cells in our selection. This makes each cell stand out clearly. So that's how you can add borders in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.